Hello and welcome back. To day 11 of our crazy Pokemon opening spree we're having at the minute. Today I have picked my collection Shining Fates ETB. Here is everything you get inside. It's a lot of Shining Fates, so I am hoping for some good pulls today. This is the box, very simple. It's an ETB. To be fair, I need one for all the cards I'm going to be opening, so let's jump right in. As always with an ETB, if you open this one up, you will get some nice artwork of each kit. Nice little touch. You get the Shining Fates player guide. This has all the Pokemon. That is the Charizard I am after, basically, right there. You have all the cards you can get in the set. Some quite nice ones in there. And then that's a bit of cardboard. Then you get a Pokemon trading card game rules. Yep, no one really cares about that. These are really what we've come for. All of these packs. You get some colored dice to match the Eevee. You get some, I believe it's all energies. Woo. You get some sleeve covers. You get a code card. You get, ooh, an Eevee VMAX promo card. That's nice.
Nice.
Don't mind if I do. 4 dividers to go inside of the box. And the damage counters will never change. There are our 10 packs from this ETB. We are going to start off with the frog. Hopefully the frog will bring us some luck. Do they open easier from the bottom? Is that the idea? No, that's not the idea. Okay, must open them backwards then. We have an energy trainer. Eldegoss. I think that changes every time I say it. Dartrix. Gossifur. Again, it changes. Cactus. Tutao. An Eevee, which is my favorite card. A Nickit. Reverse Hollow Shinx. And the Galarian Wheezing Hollow. It's quite nice. I got that Pokemon Go. I know I have. Put the hollow there. Next rock. When were these packs actually made? 2021. I'm sure Shining Fates is older than that, so this might be a reprint as such. I'm guessing they do reprints. I just seen something which I didn't want to see. Oh, I just seen something shiny. Code card. I declare Fumble. Electric. Fox. Dartrix. Rotrom. I don't understand that. I think he's actually a robot. I don't know why he's in Pokemon, but Spinarak. Cufant. Flower, which I can never pronounce. Snom. Snom. Coughing. That wasn't a reverse. What about... Did I do the card trick wrong? We have a Grimace now VMAX. That is a stunning card, I gotta say. I think that's what I've seen out of the corner of my eye. Going into a Trainer's boss. Maybe I did the card trick wrong. Okay. No, I don't think I did. Alright, we're going to go into the next one. 2 pulls for 2 packs. Nice. No pull for this pack. Why do I open them backwards like that? Code card. Energy. Trainer. Rotram. Cramorant. The little fox. Stinks. Coughing. Trapinch. Rowlet. I'm now checking because I did 4, didn't I? That's not a holo. We got another V card. We got a V card, sorry. We got Toxicity V. I'll take that as a pull. Into a non-holo Volcanon. So, are the V cards swapped? I don't understand what's happening here. Anyone else understand? We're going to go into the Metal Bird next. We're going to leave the Charizards to the last. Hopefully there's a Charizard inside of one of them. We're going into a Fire Energy. Trainer. There's only 72 cards in this set as well. Luxio. Horsey. Snom. Morpeko. Cactus. Futile. Reverse Holo Trapinch. Into a non-holo Yanmega. Not Yamama. Yanmega. Go into another bird. Trying to open these packets really delicately so I don't mess anything up. I'm not having much luck. And I'm double checking my counting as well because I'm sure I'm doing something wrong. Energy. Trainer. Luxio. Porky. Cactus. I don't know why I paused then. The flower. Snom. Trapinch. Nickit. Thank you for staying with me if you've watched me this long. A hot. Why is there a holo in that position? I'm dead confused now. A holo, and then into a Professor's Research Trainer. Again, that's a hit 'cause it's a holo. Am I doing something wrong? Is Shining Fates a different card trick? I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Oh. One, two, three, 4. Psychic. Popis. Trainer. I've seen you too many times. Big Fox. Brokey. Spinnerack. Jinx. Oh, 2 cards. Horsey. Yama. Reverse Holo Trainer into a non-holo Celebi. Very nice card though, Celebi. This is our 4th from last pack. If I could actually get into it. Hey, it's my favourite. There's an Eevee at the front. That's always a good sign for me. Grass Energy. Big Fox. Wacky. Rock Tom. Eevee. Nickit. Horsey. Snom. Morpeko. Reverse Holo is a beast of some sort. Into a non-holo Zarude. Zarude? Right. The free magic packs. I don't know which way I'm going to open these. I'm just going to go for the middle first. Fighting energy, I think. Trainer. Rotom. Trainer. 2 cards. Morpeko. Boffing. Flower thing. Picani. Chutal. Hollow. In the wrong spot again. Into 2 hollows. What? Is that like a special card? Because I feel like that's like the ones in like Pokemon Go when they're not like, oh, I can't think of the word. They're like the special ones. That's why they're in the wrong space. I got a feeling about my right, so water energy. Trainer. Go on, make me say trainer again, go on. No, Fracky. Spinarak. Oh, 2 cards. We've got the other fox as well. Rowlet. Rapinch. Snom. Just pull 2 cards, I did. Kyogre. A nice looking Kyogre again. Into a shiny Moth. Ah. Nice, they're nice looking cards. So 2 hits out of that pack. Last pack with the Charizard. Please be the Charizard. That would make the video. Make my day. What would also make my day is actually being able to get into these packs. Code card. 3, 4. I think it's going to be electric. Okay, water. Okay. Water. Trainer. Big Fox. Dratix. Cactus. Turtle. Spinarak. Koofant. Flower. Into the reverse of the volcano. And the last card is going to be a VMAX, and it's Crobat. Not the card I wanted, but it is a VMAX. So I'll take it. Those are the pulls for day 11. So I think we've got some good ones. We've got 2 VMAXs and a V card. I like that. Until next time, stay safe. Look after each other. And I will catch you again for day 12 tomorrow. Peace.